Hi guys! To share our experience immigration before going to Taiwan. Ito yung mga documents na hinanda namin. We printed hard copies and some of it are soft copies sa phone para if ever hanapin, ready kami. But passport and boarding pass lang ang hiningi actually sa amin. Konti lang naman yung tanong sa amin ng IO. Tinanong lang ako if OFW and if government employee. Then, my daughter was asked kung magkaano-ano kami and if government employee din siya and kung kailan ang balik namin.
Hi, Mom.
After that, na-stamp na yung passport namin and that's it. We're so excited to see Taiwan. So here we are, just landed in Taoyuan Airport. Time to withdraw money and since yung daughter ko lang, yung may GoTime card, siya na rin yung nag-withdraw ng pera namin. And sa Bank of Taiwan siya nag-withdraw kasi dito raw pinakamababa yata yung charge. After that, we went to 7-Eleven sa mismong airport to buy my daughter's EC card. And since ako meron na akong sarili or may pinahiram sa akin yung sister ko who also went here before sa Taiwan, laloadan ko na lang yung card niya.
Ay, cute! Parang naisip ko kasi si Prochus. Puso ba yun? Shark hit me.
At first, nakakalito sa metro station. Yung daughter ko yung in charge pag navigate how to get to our accommodation. Pero sabi rin ng daughter ko, once alam mo na yung system and once maintindihan mo na, it will be easier. Well, ako naman, I let her take the lead, I go with the flow lang. See, this ride pa lang sa metro is already giving a nice view. This also adds excitement and makes us look forward lalo dun sa magiging gala namin dito sa So, going back lang dun sa experience namin sa immigration, for advice siguro, same advice lang din naman yung mabibigay namin to just be confident or iwag ipakita ang kinakabahan. Better then, mag-practice na kayo how to answer. Kami kasi, nag-read talaga kami kung ano yung sasagot namin para align lahat. And also, kahit kami that time, kinabahan. And also, kung ano lang yung hiningi sa inyong documents, yun lang ipapakita nyo and only answer the question as simple and short as possible. We booked accommodation sa Airbnb. I wasn't expecting much kasi shared accommodation na siya and mura lang din namin nakuha. Pero pagdating namin doon, ang ganda ng room na nakuha namin. Sa Daan District area kami nag-book nga pala and since okay naman kasi yung mga nakita kong feedback and reviews about the area and sabi nga din masyadong crowded like Xinanding, which is true naman nung nakarating na nga kami sa accommodation. Wala akong pictures or videos but kung ano yung nakalagay sa photos, yun talaga yung exactly itsura ng room.
Ikaw lang, sa try ko lang. Gusto ko mag-milk tea.
Ang plan talaga namin is to share sa food kasi ang goal namin is just to try all the food that we want. Kaya pa isa-isa lang talagang order binibili namin para di rin kami agad-agad mabusog.
I ordered, ano yung order ko? Pita? Small. Chicken pita. Sarap niyan. Diba? Parang gusto ko milk tea. Nice yung milk tea. Sarap. First milk tea of the trip. The day.
Around Around the area lang na accommodation namin, may maliit na park which became our tambayan whenever gusto namin magpahinga before bumalik sa accommodation. And dito na rin kami kumakain while relaxing.
Maraming masyadong spices. Ay, okay lang oh. Dapat masyadong strong yung ano. Pero masarap ako kasi na-appreciate ko siya. Sanay ako sa
Gusto ko siya.
maanghang na. Yung ano
Parang
yung
maanghang. Parang
After ng food trip namin, we decided to check the area of Taipei 101.
minsan rent tayo. Alam mo, nakita ko gusto ko mag-rent ng bike kasi hindi ko pala marunong. Ito pala vlogger meeting. Ano din, no? Wala naman nanonood dito. Ang taas! So nice! Ganda! Ayan o, aura. Ito talaga siya. Ay, ikot lang natin. Okay lang. Saka hindi kita yung taas na taas kasi nagpapak. Guys, so we're here. Oh my gosh, ang taas. Hindi na give justice yung itsura niya in real life. Pero that's how it looks like on camera. And we're going to take photos. Hi, Mama! Woo! Go! Yeah. Yan ang taro. Baka sa gitna. Anong taro? Sarap. Sarap siya pero walang taro. Baka ano lang.